Hello, I'm Chef Chona Garcia-Laureta and welcome to Negosyong Patok. If you're looking for a food business idea, that's simple to start. Always in demand. At pwedeng gawin kahit sa bahay lang. You're in the right place. I created this class for breadwinners, for moms, for OFWs, lahat ng gustong kumita gamit ang sariling kusina. Because I know what it's like to want a better future for your family. And I believe food is one of the most powerful ways to do that. Dito sa class na ito, I'll teach you how to make Morcon Batangueno. We also have handcrafted papaya pickle or special Atsara, premium oven-baked boneless bangus tinapang, at artisanal itlog na maalat. Hindi lang ito basta-basta recipes ha. These are negosyo-ready products. I chose them kasi mabenta sila sa market. Paborito ng mga Pinoy. At kayang-kayang simulan ng hindi kailangan ng malaking puhunan. Promise! Each lesson is a step-by-step, no complicated techniques, and just real kitchen skills that you can turn into real income. And dahil gusto ko talagang makatulong sa inyong lahat, hindi lang kita tuturuan magluto, but at the same time, ituturo ko rin ang business side nito. Kasama sa class ang mga diskarte kung papaano ang pricing, packaging, importante yon, handling orders, at kung paano ka makakabenta online or sa sarili mong community. You'll also get downloadable guides and tips para mas madali ang pagsisimula mo. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace and you get unlimited access. So, pwede kang bumalik-balik anytime. That's the best thing. And you're not doing this alone. You will be a part of our growing the Bailiwick Academy community. A safe place to learn, to share wins, and to grow together. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a small food business, this is your sign. Start here, start now, and let Negosyong Patok be your first step to building something for yourself and for the people you love. I'm Chef Chona, and I'll see you inside the class.